Hello, I'm a California corporate lawyer behind the stock transfer agreement generator, and I want to show you how to use it and explain what it does. This agreement is good for a friendly basic transaction where you don't necessarily need a huge complex agreement. You don't necessarily want to spend time and money on a lawyer, but you do want to have something in writing that describes the transaction and will protect you in case of problems. So that's exactly what it does. How it works is straightforward. You fill in the party information, you fill in the number of shares, the type of shares. The form will automatically update as you do that. And move on to representations and warranties. Those are standard. You don't want any pending litigation normally. You want the company to be in good standing, so make sure you check the ones you want. This is a tricky one. Make sure the accredited investor is either checked or unchecked depending on your situation, because that carries serious legal consequences. If you must have accredited investors and you don't, confidentiality section will also update depending on how elaborate you want it to be. Moving on to next section, this is where your signature is going to be. And once you're done, the agreement will generate into either copy to clipboard, or you can download it as a Microsoft Word file. It's properly formatted. Once you sign it and date it, you're good to go.